I've had the car for about 10 years. It started out as a Ford V8 with a 2-speed automatic, and I've kind of put about 6 engines in it, and we just finished this one about a week ago. My name's Ryden. I'm from Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada. It's a 65 Ford Falcon. It's got an LS1, rods, pistons, 243 heads. It's carbureted, runs an MSD box, Quickfuel carburetor, Holley fuel pump.
First time here at LS Fest?
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's awesome. The people are great, lots of different cars. There's a ton of events. It's been really cool so far.
Been into cars all your life?
Yeah, I've always kind of played around with them. We got a pretty good group of friends back home. We've grown up with cars our whole lives, so.
Been an LS guy all your life?
For about 5 years, I've had them, mostly in Fords. Today I went 1180 at 116, basically. It's through a T56 Magnum on an 8-inch wide tire, so. I am just doing the drag race today. Our other friends that came with us are in truck class, true street, and I have one other index class, I think. Awesome. So we brought 4 vehicles and about 10 people came, so it's been pretty fun.
Well, I noticed a bunch of Fords here.
Yeah, some people hate it. Yeah, no, it's such a great platform for anybody. Like the aftermarket's awesome for it, so.